Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into an exciting world where your imagination meets the magic of artificial intelligence. Have you ever wanted to create your own animated cartoon? Maybe for a YouTube channel, for educational lessons, marketing, or just for fun, but you thought it's too complicated. I don't know animation software. It must cost a fortune. Well, what if I told you that today, you can create stunning animated videos with no animation skills, no expensive software, and no long hours? All you need is your idea and the right AI tools. In this video, we're going to unlock the power of text-to-animation, a revolutionary technology that lets you turn a simple story into a fully animated cartoon video in minutes. Here's what we're covering today: how to generate a full story easily using ChatGPT, how to turn that story into a professional animated video using Steve.ai, how to review, tweak, and polish your cartoon, and how you can use these skills for YouTube, business, or even storytelling for kids. So grab a notebook if you like taking notes, because by the end of this, you'll be ready to create your own animated universe. Let's jump in. First things first, we need a story. Animation is awesome, but without a story, it's just moving pictures. And if you feel stuck or don't have a story idea ready, don't worry. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Step 1. Open ChatGPT, head over to chat.openai.com and sign in or create an account. Step 2. Prompting ChatGPT. You don't need a complex command. Just something simple like, write a short, fun story about a squirrel who wants to fly like a bird. And within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a short, creative story for you. Step 3. Refining the story. If the first version isn't exactly what you want, you can refine it. Ask it to make it funnier, add more dialogue, introduce more characters, make the ending surprising, or even break it into clear scenes for easier animation. Example prompts. Add a dialogue between the squirrel and an eagle. Expand the story to include a lesson about believing in yourself. Keep the story between 150 to 400 words, enough for a 1 to 3 minute video. Focus on 1 to 3 characters. Too many characters can clutter short animations. Include clear scenes, for example, beginning, goal, middle, struggle, end, success, done, failure. Once you're happy, copy the story and save it to your computer, because now it's time to bring it to life. Now it's time for the real magic, bringing your story to life with Steve.ai. Step 1. Create an account. Go to Steve.ai. You can start with a free plan or choose a premium one later if you want even more features like watermark removal and 4K exports. Step 2. Start a new project, click on Create Video, and select the animation option. Steve.ai offers a few different types. Live video, for real footage animation. Animation video, for cartoon-style characters. This is what we want. Step 3. Paste your script. You'll see a big text box. Paste your ChatGPT story right here. Steve.ai's smart AI will automatically break the story into scenes, identify dialogue, suggest characters and backgrounds, but you can tweak and fine-tune anything you want. Step 4. Choose an animation style. This part is so much fun. Pick a style that fits the vibe of your story. 2D cartoon, colorful and playful, perfect for kids' stories. Whiteboard animation, ideal for educational or explainer videos. 3D cartoon, adds more depth and polish. Each style has dozens of customizable templates, backgrounds, character packs, object libraries, etc. Step 5. Customize characters and actions. Now assign characters to different speaking parts. You can choose male or female characters, adjust their skin tone, clothing, hairstyle, set emotions like happy, sad, excited, or surprised. Pick specific actions like waving, running, laughing. Steve.ai's character library is huge, and the AI suggests the most fitting ones automatically. Step 6. Select backgrounds and objects. Match your story setting. Forests, city streets, classrooms, underwater scenes. whatever fits your story best. You can also drag and drop props and objects like trees, guitars, treasure chests, whatever your story needs. Step 7. Add voiceover and music. Here you have 3 choices. Use Steve.ai's automated AI voice. It sounds surprisingly natural. Record your own voiceover and upload it. Add background music only for a silent movie-style vibe. Steve.ai even matches music and voice tone to the mood of the story. Epic, cheerful, sad, adventurous, automatically. Now that our video is almost ready, it's review time. One of the most important steps to polish it for perfection. Step 1. Preview your video. Click Preview and watch as Steve.ai generates your full animated video within a few minutes. What to look for? During review, scene timing. Does each scene last long enough to tell the part of the story? Character actions. Are characters moving naturally with their dialogues? Background flow. Are backgrounds changing smoothly without feeling random? Voiceover sync. Is the voiceover properly timed with the animations? Step 2. Tweak scenes. If anything feels off, adjust scene duration, make scenes shorter or longer, replace characters if a better fit pops into mind, change or reposition objects. Step 3. Polish audio. Fine-tune background music volume so it supports but doesn't overpower the voiceover. If needed, you can even insert sound effects like birds chirping, doors opening, magical whooshes, etc. using Steve.ai's library. Step 4. Export your video. Once satisfied, hit Export. Choose your desired resolution, 720p, 1080p, or even 4K if you're on a premium plan. Download it to your computer. Boom! Your own professionally animated cartoon is ready. And there you have it. You just created a full animated cartoon using nothing but your imagination, AI, and a few easy steps. Let's quickly recap everything we covered today. We used ChatGPT to write a fun, creative story in minutes. We animated that story with Steve.ai by customizing characters, actions, and backgrounds. We reviewed and polished the final video like a pro. And now you have a finished animated cartoon ready to share with the world. Imagine the possibilities. Start your own animated storytelling YouTube channel. Create educational videos for your class or online course. Make fun birthday videos for friends or family. Or even create animated ads for small businesses. The best part? You can create dozens of videos without expensive animation software, years of training, or huge time investments. Before you go, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any awesome AI tools that can save you time and boost your creativity. Also, I'd love to hear from you. What type of animated video will you create first? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Let's get inspired together. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep dreaming, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.
Squeaky's sky-high dream. Squeaky, the energetic squirrel, gazes enviously at birds flying high above. Excitedly, she tells Ollie, "I want to fly like a bird." Squeaky begins to craft a flying contraption, believing she can make it work. With a brave leap, she tries to fly, but lands in a bush, realizing her challenge. The bird encourages her to glide from the oak tree, igniting a spark of hope in Squeaky. Embracing her agility, Squeaky glides through the air, feeling the thrill of flight. The eagle, impressed, shares wisdom about flying with purpose, inspiring Squeaky further. With newfound confidence, she understands that even without wings, she can soar her way.